they all failed. Small layer shift right there. This is the felt print from trying to do him. Let's package this all up. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the small hiatus, but what are we working on this week or today? Printing some more little buddies. I do have one failure. Looks like right there. Don't know what happened. But anyway, this will be done in about 13 minutes, and then I can take it off the build plate. Again, it is Monday morning, so let's get this week's vlog on the road. What am I working on today? So I had a order come in a few days ago. It's been about 5 days. I normally print everything within 3 to 5 days. This one's right at 5 days. The customer is a repeat customer. This is the 8th or 9th time that he has purchased from me. He ordered a turtle, a large turtle, and he ordered a small turtle. I originally printed this one out for him, but there was a small layer shift right there. That's it, nothing else. Everything else was good on it, but he knows I will not send out a product. I will not make you pay for a product that I would not accept myself. So that is done, and I'm gonna just give it to him for free. This one came out great. I just don't like the colors. All the colors are this color, and this color is all with the castle brick. And then the fins and most of the underbelly is all with beige, all from Zyro 3D. And I made some little buddies, 2 different batches, so that's why they're 2 different colors. I'm sending him 20 of these, no charge to him. Also the flush objects that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to send him 2 of the roses. I send these to everybody that purchases from me. They get the flush roses, no charge to them. I also will throw in a little buddy as well, depending on what they order, kind of similar to what they have. I'm also going to throw him a little benchy and a black pearl boat. I normally print these up every time I get new filament. I haven't in a while. As you can see, they're all right over there. And then I have them up there with all the random filament that I have. All the ones that are in the closet, I do not have them. But anyways, I'm going to put all 20 of these in the egg. And then I have some more minis in this egg for his daughters, because I haven't really sent them something in a while. So that's all I'm sending this guy. This guy is getting all of this at no charge to him. The only thing he paid for is this and this, because he is a loyal customer. He's a very good friend, and this is my appreciation for everything. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pack everything up in a box and then get it taped up and get this sent out today. So let's package this all up. I will walk you guys through how I package this stuff up. So I use these. This is what comes in with the Zyro 3D. This is what the filament comes in. I just usually put one of these big ones in here. Then I'll lay one of these on top. Then we'll fold it up. Let's put some liner in the bottom of this. Some liner in the bottom of the box. We're going to take these, we're going to stick them in the box. I'm going to lay that on top. So again, this is another flush object. If I don't do the roses, I do this as well. It almost looks like wood. Look at that. $20 of them in there perfectly fine. This is not necessary. I wrap it up in this. Then I forgot what I put in here. Again, these are for the little ones. I've already given one of them the Orca. I think I've given him all of my little buddies that I have. But again, this is just some random stuff I'm throwing in there for little kids. I know a lot of you are going to say it's cutting into your profit, blah, blah, blah. Like I've said in the beginning, I'm not here to hit everybody over the head. I make enough to pay for the filament and the cost to do this. This is just a side hobby that gives me something to do to keep my mind off shit. So put these boats in here. And get some more liner. And last but not least, the flush roses. These things are amazing. People love these things. I'm glad I did them. So that is it. Let's get it taped up. All taped up and ready to be sent out. Now this one I wasn't given to him. I just threw the rose in there. That actually looks pretty cool. Like a display piece or not. So I do fragile stickers on both sides. And then I'll do a thank you sticker on the top. So I usually throw these stickers in there as well. This is something that he made for me and he gave to me. He's the gentleman that gave me the filament, gave me all the stickers that you see right there. Some beer or soda koozies that are right there. And then a bunch of shirts. Again, very good friend, very good customer. So, like I said, I normally put these in there as well, but he already has them. He has more to send me. So that's why I give him little extra things here and there. He's more than appreciative. So that is gonna be it for today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Actually, it'll probably be later on tonight because tomorrow is payroll. So I'll figure all that out. But more than likely, I'll talk to you guys later because the other little buddies are about to be off. So I'll probably shoot that later on tonight because I got to do some stuff today. Peace. All right, good afternoon. It is still Monday. These guys finished up shortly after I got them filming earlier. So again, this one messed up only because it didn't stick to the bed all the way. It came up, which is fine. Only one failed. So I did do them in the pinks. And I still have some unicorns left, but none of the cats. Cats went like crazy. People at work, people that I seen around in public ordered a few from me. So so I did get this from all the Zyro filament that I've purchased. I got this is the first time I've ever gotten a sample. This is a Tri Matte PLA Maple Forest. So I'm going to probably do a black pearl bin sheet on this just to see what it looks like. So the colors are, it looks like pink, orange, and a blue on the other side. So I'm going to run that through, show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and crack this plate and get it, probably get a short made for it since I haven't done a short in forever. I haven't done anything forever. So I apologize, guys. So I will talk to you guys probably in a few once I get this printed up to show you what it looks like, if not tomorrow morning. Peace. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon. So I am trying to print this robotic turtle from Matt Meyer Makes, and it keeps failing. It looks like the prime tower keeps coming up. I have this plate and this plate as well. And then there's more in there, if you can see it. But what I think is happening is I have the prime tower set to the infill. I think it's originally 125%. I set it down to 100%. And the width, I set it to 25 instead of the 35. So I just put everything at default now. So I'm gonna rerun this again. This is a 3-day print. So I will not be done with this until about Friday. Possibly Friday morning is when I'll get to it, but we'll find out. And but I also printed a little pin holder for a jacket I found on Maker World, free to sell. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add that onto my site. What I did yesterday or this morning while I was finishing up some prints and trying to figure these turtles out is I went through and I organized and cleaned. So that's all I'm gonna have for you guys this afternoon. I'll get with you guys tomorrow morning and show you what everything's starting to look like, and hopefully no more fails on this. If it does fail again, then I'm gonna have to let the guy know that I'm not gonna be able to print this until I get the H2C once I save up for it. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. Peace. Good afternoon. It is Friday afternoon. Finally got this beast done. This was a 3.5 day print. Had 4 failures. I'll put that up on the screen for you guys to see. But that prime tower has been through hell. But let's see what it looks like. So this is all Bambu Lab filament. The blue and the orange is translucent. Then you have silver silk, and then just matte black. So again, this prime tower, look at this. This thing did its job. But I'm gonna go ahead and get a short made on this. Just like to say welcome back, everybody. Sorry I was gone for so long, but look at this guy. Nice little turtle. All right, so for this little guy, little turtle was almost 1,000 grams of filament, 3.5 days, because I had some mess ups to print them. I will probably never do him again until I get the H2C from Bambu Labs. So failed 4 times. These are what failed. So this is the failed print from trying to do him. I did super tack plate, which failed. I did a cold plate, which failed. And then I did a PDI texture plate once. And it was okay, except it failed on my part because I had the filament swapped for some reason. I don't know. This is all debris from when it passed the brim, the prime tower. This was actually pretty full. That's all the waste. I have more in a box over there. So that is going to be it. Now I got to figure out what I'm printing next. Again, like I said, I will not do him again unless I have like an H2D or an H2C. Preferably the H2C is what I want, what I'm working on. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I'm printing up some little buddy alligators. I did print up some that failed. These all came up at the very end. As you can tell, at the very top of the forehead, they all failed. I think the frogs did pretty good though. So just trying to fill up all the little buddies. I've sold a bunch of them. They're getting low in stock. And there's a pile of them that I'm going to be sending to somebody. He's going to be selling them at one of his events that he's going to. Good afternoon. It is a wonderful Monday afternoon. Just got done printing these alligators. So, like I said in the last video, they failed. This time I took the frogs off because the frogs did not fail and I just made alligators. I put a brim on it, just like the family print project says. When in doubt, brim it out. And I did. Wonderful looking guys. So I'm gonna make a short on them and I'm gonna work on doing a new little rack for the little buddies so I can have them stacked, like a 3-tier stack. I'm gonna work on that in the next couple days. I'll show you guys what that looks like, as long as I don't run out of filament. But that's gonna be what I'm working on right now. I will more than likely talk to you guys maybe tomorrow afternoon. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.